Sometimes you need to take screenshot on Windows 11, either on laptop or on desktop, but you think there is no option for that screenshot, taking full screenshot. You can by default take screenshot by uh, key, which is like, sorry, mm, I would like to search keyboard here, keyboard layout. If we just look at this, here is screenshot key from, sorry, I just open it, full image, new tab. There is a print screen key. If you just press shift with print screen, then it would take screenshot. That would by default be taking, like, I just open a new tab, online, uh, online keyboard test. Let's key test or something like that. For example, if I just print screen, if you want to, you just would do print screen here, and it's taken print screen. Screen is printed now. Now, if I go to paint and paste it here, here we got full. But if you just want to take just a part of it, now all you have to do is to do press Windows Shift and S, like this. Windows Shift and S. This is sniping tool. As for sniping, you can just either select the full window or just take part of it. For example, if I select the full window, it's taken here. And if I go to paint and paste it, sorry, paste it, I got full screen here. But if you don't want to take full, just press again and just select only selected part of it. For example, if I just want to take this part, then it's only this part. No, if it's only this part of that. And another benefit of this is that when you take a snipe, it's like this. When you take this snipe and click on this, it will open in the default editor. Here you can just mark something, highlight something, or to use all the tools here, whatever the tools are here. For example, mm, sorry, we don't need ruler here. Go away, ruler, go away. So if you just want to do whatever you want to do, for example, you want to crop it, you can crop it like this. By default you are having option to crop, and you can save from a, for example, if you just want to change mode or something like that, you can just from do save and save wherever you want to save it. And other option for taking quick screenshots on Windows 11 is to use a software known as ShareX. So this is the software. You can set screenshots, take screenshot, in which automatically does it. It's up to you whether you want to use default Windows uh, this, or you want to use ShareX. It's up to you.